Trail Runner has a long history here at Heartland as the first aluminum-sided trailer. And since then, in our latest changes, we've made huge overhauls to really revolutionize the product.
When we look at the design elements of Trail Runner, we really look to the name for inspiration. It's designed to get you out in the woods, to hit those trails, get away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, and help you reconnect with nature.
What I really like about the Trail Runner is that it's geared towards the first-time buyer all the way up to someone that's looking to upgrade into a larger camper. There's really a floor plan for everyone.
When you buy a Trail Runner, you can expect a quality trailer with modern interior design and features that you're actually going to use every time you go camping.
Trail Runner has a multitude of standard features on the exterior, from the power tongue jack to the power stabilizer jack to the power awning. It really is ease of use for the customer when they get to the campsite, push of a button and you're ready to go.
Standard features in the Trail Runner start with these beautiful nightshades that we have on all of our large windows in the living area. We also got rid of carpet in all of our Trail Runner units. We've got beautiful woven flooring now to resist stains and increase the longevity of the material itself. Coupled with our flush floor slides that are very deep and tall, really adds a lot of space to the unit.
Another great standard feature here at Trail Runner is that on select models, all of our outside kitchens are upgraded to a griddle in place of a 2-burner stove with a metal countertop.
When we look at designing a new Trail Runner floor plan, we really listen to our customers as well as our dealer network to make sure that in the design process, we're making features that are usable for everyday use. We're not doing gimmicky things that are just going to go by the wayside.
We have a wide array of floor plans here at Trail Runner, starting at our smallest traditional non-slide at 25 feet, going up to our bath-and-a-half bunk models, and then moving even further into our triple slide bed slide bunk models. At Trail Runner, we work closely with Renee Gillis in design, and what we were going for on this travel trailer was the farm style look. Our magnolia interiors are going to give you more of a residential feature, and that is really what our customers are looking for.
With Trail Runner, we use the white maple wood for the cabinetry and contrasted with dark countertops, and it looks amazing. It's very spacious looking. We're putting all our heart and soul in it because we care, and we want it to be a great product. It is a great product.
When talking about the Trail Runner construction, we cut no corner. We have the extended season package with fully enclosed heated underbelly to give you longer camping season. The aerodynamic front end that allows for true queen beds in every single camper. Trail Runner boasts one of the largest pass-through storages in this category at 52 cubic feet, allowing for campers to get their gear in and out easily and a lot of storage. What I really enjoy about working with the Trail Runner team is all the different layers of getting the camper to the end user. From design to the production team to getting it to the dealer network that we in turn get to the campers.